Students, we have completed the chapter Understanding Elementary Shapes. Now starting a new chapter, that is integers. You already learnt the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and also whole number, that is 0 along with natural number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But these numbers are not sufficient to deal with every calculation of our daily life. For example, you have 10 rupees with you. You can represent by plus 10, which you can spend that. But suppose you needed 12 rupees, but you have only 10 rupees. Now you borrow 2 rupees from your friend. Now how to represent this situation? These numbers which you already know 0, 1, 2, 3 is not sufficient. Suppose an aeroplane is flying above sea level at 5,000 meters above sea level. Suppose a submarine is traveling below sea level at 30 feet, 30 meters. How will you represent the situation? Deposit of money in the bank is represented by plus. Suppose you deposit 10,000 plus 10,000. Suppose you withdraw money from bank. If you took the money from bank 5,000, how to represent this? And in that way there are so many situations where the positive numbers alone cannot help. So therefore there is need for integers that we are going to learn in this class. There are so many situations where we have to use negative numbers. Negative numbers are the numbers with the negative sign. These numbers are less than 0. Negative sign means minus sign. We use negative numbers to represent temperature. So suppose 10 degrees Celsius above 0 is plus 10. Suppose 5 degrees Celsius below 0, it should be minus 5. Now it's 0 degrees. This 10 degrees hotter than 0. And this is, suppose this temperature is 10 degrees colder than 0. Cooler than 0. It's below 0. It's minus 10. Above 0 is plus 10. Below 0 is minus 10. In the case of accounting, we use negative sign to represent loss and positive represent the profit. Suppose you got a profit, we put plus, positive. And if it is a loss, we put the negative. In case of sea level, you use the negative sign to represent the height of the place below the sea level, and positive sign to represent the place above the sea level. This is a number line. It is 0 here, and to the right you have the numbers 1, 2, 3 all positive. To the left you have all numbers negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, all these numbers. See that these are increasing here, and here also the numbers are increasing but actual value is decreasing. How? That I will show you. Yeah, as you move from 5 to the right, the numbers are increasing 6, 7. So as you move to the left, they are increasing. 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 4. In the same way, 0 is less than all these numbers. Minus 1 is less than 0. Minus 2 is less than 1, minus 0 plus 1. Minus 3 is less than minus 2, minus 1, 0 and all these positive numbers. Minus 5 is less than minus 4. Minus 6 is less than 5. In that way, as you go to the right, numbers will increase. As you go to the left, numbers will decrease. So minus 8 is smaller than minus 5. Remember that. Minus 4 is smaller than minus 2. 2 is smaller than 4. 5 is smaller than 8. So here sea level, above sea level 1025 meters above sea level, this mountain, tip of the mountain, and this bottom of the sea is 155 meter below sea level. So you write minus 155 below sea level. Integers. The collection of whole numbers and negative numbers together are called the integers. All the positive numbers are positive integers and all the negative numbers are negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. You can see natural number. If you add 0 over here, then it will become whole number. In this set, if you add few minus 1, minus 2, minus negative numbers, then it will become integers. Natural number, one addition of 0 will make whole numbers, and in this if you make addition of negative numbers here, it will become the integers. representation of integers on number line. To represent the integer on number line, first we have to draw a line and mark a point 0 on it. Then mark all the positive integers on the right side with the same distance 1, 2, 3 and so on, and the entire negative numbers on the left side -1, -2, -3 and so on. Here you can see it is 0. Here to the right +1, +2, +3 and so on. To the left -1, -2, -3 and so on. Remember, as you go to the right hand, the value increase. As you go to the left hand, the value decreases. So therefore 2 is greater than 1. Any number which is on the right will be greater. -1 and -2, -1 is on the right side, so -1 is greater than -2. -2 is greater than -3. -3 is greater than -4. In that way. So example, mark -7 is the question. Then how can you mark? Here at the 7, here you have to put the mark up to this. It is -7. It's mark, or you can put around over here also. Now ordering of integers. Ordering means comparison of two integers or more than two integers, saying which is writing in ascending or descending order, whichever order is asked. Now from the above number line we can see that as we go to the right side, the numbers are getting larger, and as we move to the left side, numbers are getting smaller in their value. Hence any number on the right side on the number line is greater than the number which is left. Suppose you take two numbers, the one on the right will always be greater. If you take two numbers, the left on the number the number on the left will always be smaller. See here 5 and 2. So 5 is on the right, so larger. 4 and -2. Here 4 is -2. 4 is on the right side, so larger. -4 and -1. -1 is on the right side, so -1 is larger. In that way. Some facts about integer. Any positive integer is always greater than the negative integer. 0 is less than every positive integer. 0 is greater than every negative integer. 0 doesn't come in any of the negative and positive integer. That is, 0 is considered neither positive nor negative. Now students, you have to represent 5, -3, 6, -4 on number line. This is a number line, and you have to round off here. You have to round off at 5. Again, now you have to round off at -3. Now you have to round off the -3. Now 6 is there, so we will round off 6 also now. Six also should be round off. And then now you have to round off 6. Now also you have to round off at -4. With this we have represented 5, -3, 6 and -4 on number line. Students, we are studying the chapter integers. In this we have learnt what are integers, what is the relation between natural number, whole number and integers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers, if you add 0 to it, then it becomes the whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you add the negative numbers also, like -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, then these are integers. Now also we have learnt where you will add plus and where you add, and for example level above mean sea level is positive, and below mean sea level is negative. And the same, depositing money is positive and withdrawing is negative, and in profit is positive and loss is negative. These things we have seen, and some other examples. And also number line, what is number line also we have seen it. Now in exercise 6.1 we have done 2 sums in the last class. Now I will do the other sums in the same exercise 6.1. Now question 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Siachen 10 degrees below 0 degrees centigrade. Shimla 2 degrees below 0 degrees centigrade. Ahmedabad 30 degrees above 0 degrees centigrade. Delhi 20 degrees above 0 degrees centigrade, and Srinagar 5 degrees below. Srinagar 5 degrees below 0 degrees temperature. Now what he is asking, let us see. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. We have to write that in the fill up the blanks. You have seen fill up the blanks here. That you have to fill it. How to fill? See carefully. Here 10 degrees below is minus 10 degrees centigrade. C should be here. 2 degrees below 0, that is minus 2. 30 degrees below 0, above 0 plus 30. 20 above plus 20. 5 below 0 minus 5. So above 0 degrees centigrade, above 0 degrees temperature is represented by positive, and below 0 degrees temperature is represented by negative. Now in the second bit is given that in B bit, write the temperature of those places in the form of integer in the blank column, and also and in the B bit it is also given that plot the name of the city against the temperature. Not only you have to fill this, plot the name of the city against the temperature here on this number line. So here Siachen minus 10, at minus 10 you write Siachen, and Shimla is minus 2, at minus 2 write Shimla, and Ahmedabad plus 30, at plus 30 you write here, and Delhi plus 20, at plus 20 you mark it for Delhi, and Srinagar minus 5, at minus 5 you have to write Srinagar. Now C bit is which is the coolest place. Siachen is the coolest place because minus 10 degrees centigrade is less than all the temperature which is mentioned here. Minus 10, minus 2, minus 30, plus 20, minus 5. Minus 10 is the least temperature. Now write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees. Above 10 degrees are at Delhi and Ahmedabad. Now we'll go for the next sum. Question number 6. In which of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So 2 and 9 which will come, and we have already learned as you go to the right hand in a number line, the numbers increase. So bigger number will be the right. Here 2 and 9, 9 is the bigger number. So 9 is on the right of 2. Now minus 3 and minus 8, now which one is the bigger? You can see in number line as you go to the left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, then you can see that minus 3 comes to the right of minus 8. So minus 3 is greater than minus 8. Minus 3 is to the right of minus 8. We have to write which number is on the right. Minus 3 is right. Here 9 is on the right of 2 on the number line. Here minus 3 is on the right of minus 8. Write the integers between the given pair. 7th question. Write them in increasing order. 0 to minus 7, you have to write all the integers but in increasing order. That you start with, here in these two, the lesser one is minus 7 is the smaller than 0. So the minus 6 greater than minus 7 is minus 6, and then greater minus 5. So you are increasing order up to minus 1. After that 0 will come. So don't write minus 7 and 0 between that all. Now in this increasing order is the less, minus 4 and 4, which is the least of them. Minus 4 is least. Start with that. After minus 4 the greater number is minus 3, and again greater minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Question number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20. That is, you have to move toward right hand in the number line. So on the right hand you will have minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. These are all greater. You can write other numbers also. Minus 15, minus 14 also you can write. And minus 10, minus 9. They are also greater than minus 20. Okay. Now 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Less than means you have to move to the left hand side. So after minus 10 on the number line, to the left you will get minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. This minus is here. For minus 13 this minus is here. So in that, or you can write other numbers also, not a problem. Minus, less than minus 10 you can write minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 10. They are also less than minus 10.